On problem 7, we're asked to determine if, or actually we're asked to find the exact sum of this series. Remember that if you're asked to do that, then there's really only two possibilities for what the series is, if you're asked to find the exact sum. There's only two kinds of series, if you remember, that we can actually easily find that sum, and one of them is geometric and the other is telescoping. So this one must be telescoping since it's obviously not geometric. So for telescoping series, what we need to do is first find the partial fraction decomposition of the thing. So we'll factor the denominator as n plus 1, n plus 2. And then we'll say that this is equal to something over n plus 1, something else over n plus 2. Multiply through by the LCD, you get 2 is equal to a times n plus 2 plus b times n plus 1. If we let n equal negative 2, we get 2 minus 2 plus 1, we get negative b, telling us that b must be equal to negative 2. If we let n be equal to negative 1, we get 2 is equal to a. So that means that we can rewrite the series in this way as a over n plus 1, so 2 over n plus 1 plus, or sorry, minus 2 over n plus 2. Okay, so that is our series rewritten. And so next we would like to figure out what is our partial sum, nth partial sum. So we'll go ahead and just start writing out terms of this series. We're going to start at n equals 2. So if I put 2 in here, I get 2/3 minus 2/4, so that's 1/2, plus second term 3, I get 1/2. This is 3 minus 2/5. Next term 4, so I get 2/5, and that's going to be 2/6, so that's 1/3. That's probably enough to see what's going to start to cancel. We'll go to the very end here. We'll figure out what is the n minus 1th term. That's going to be 2 over n minus 2 over n plus 1. And then the nth term, 2 over n plus 1 minus 2 over n plus 2. Okay, so that's the nth partial sum. And we'll notice right away that we've got some canceling. Pretty much everything's going to cancel after the first term. And then if we go towards the end here, we see that that one and that one cancel. So that means that this one's going to cancel with the one that came before it. That's leaving only the last term here. So Sn, the nth partial sum, the expression for that is 2/3 minus 2 over n plus 2. Okay, and then the sum of the series is the limit of the nth partial sum. So if we find this limit, we'll see that that term is going to go to 0. This one goes away, so we're just left with 2/3. And so that then is the sum of the series.